In this full fix guide, we're digging deep into exactly why your DraftKings promo code isn't working and how to get it resolved quickly. Nothing is more frustrating than signing up, depositing money, placing that qualifying bet, and then seeing zero bonus bets or promotions appear in your account. Whether it's the popular bet $5 get $100 in bonus bets welcome offer or any existing user promo, we're covering every possible reason this happens and every practical fix you can try right now. We'll go step by step with clear explanations, real-world troubleshooting tips, and strategies to prevent these headaches in the future. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete toolkit to diagnose and solve promo issues like an expert. So let's get straight into it and fix your DraftKings bonuses today. First, it's important to understand the current landscape of DraftKings promotions. The main welcome offer is typically the bet $5 get $100 in bonus bets instantly. In most cases, you no longer need to manually enter a traditional promo code because the bonus applies automatically when you sign up through a proper link and complete the steps. That said, specific codes still surface for targeted deals, referrals, deposit bonuses, or flash promotions. And when they fail to work, multiple factors could be at play. The most common root causes include eligibility mismatches, technical glitches, missed opt-in requirements, and subtle rule violations that the system quietly enforces. Let's start with the number one reason promos don't trigger: eligibility problems. DraftKings is heavily regulated by state laws, so everything starts with your location and account status. You must be physically present in a state where DraftKings Sportsbook is legal. Even if the site loads fine on your phone, the geolocation check runs in the background. If you're on the border, traveling, or your GPS is inaccurate, the promo won't activate. The fix here is simple but critical. Enable high accuracy location services, turn off any VPN or proxy immediately, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and restart your device. Then try claiming or placing the bet again while connected properly. Age requirements are another big filter. You generally need to be 21 years or older, though a few states like Kentucky allow 18 plus. If your date of birth in the account doesn't match, or if verification is incomplete, bonuses get blocked. Go into your account settings right now and complete full identity verification. This usually involves uploading a clear photo of your driver's license, passport, or state ID, plus confirming your address. Pending verification is one of the top silent blockers for new user offers. Next up, new user status matters a lot. DraftKings welcome promos are strictly one per person, household, IP address, or device in most cases. If you've had an account before, even an old inactive one, or if someone else in your household already claimed it, the system will reject the bonus. Attempting multiple accounts can lead to permanent restrictions. Always use your real, unique, personal information during sign-up. If you think this might be the issue, contact support and explain your situation honestly. They can review your account history. Now let's talk about the sign-up and link process itself. Many users miss the bonus because they didn't sign up for a promotional link. Even without typing a code, the tracking link from trusted partners ensures the offer attaches to your account. If you went directly to DraftKings.com or the app without a bonus link, you might have created a plain account with no promotion attached. In some cases, support can manually apply it if you're still brand new, but prevention is better. Always use a verified claim link from reputable sources when starting. For offers that do use promo codes, entry mistakes cause plenty of failures. Codes can be case sensitive, so type them exactly as provided, with no extra spaces before or after. Some codes expire quickly or are single use. If you see an invalid code message, double check the source for the latest active one and confirm it's valid for your state and customer type. Codes shared on social media or random forums are often outdated or fake. Stick to official channels or trusted affiliate partners. Opt-in requirements are frequently overlooked, especially for existing users. Many promotions require you to actively claim them first. Open the DraftKings app or site, Tap the bell icon in the top right corner and look for any pending notifications or tokens. Click to opt in or claim the promo before you place your bet. You can also check the dedicated promotions tab or homepage carousel. Skipping this step is one of the most common reasons people say their promo didn't work, even after betting. Let's walk through the qualifying bet process, because this is where a huge percentage of issues happen. For the bet $5 get $100 offer, you need to deposit at least $5 and place a qualifying wager of $5 or more. Pay close attention to the odds requirement, typically -500 or longer. That means avoiding extremely heavy favourites at -600 or shorter, as they often don't qualify. Some versions of the offer require your first bet to win, while others credit regardless. Always read the exact terms displayed when you start the promo. Place the bet on a straightforward market, let it settle fully, and then check your bonuses section. Settlement can sometimes take minutes to hours depending on the event. If the bonus still hasn't appeared after settlement, give it up to 24 hours in some cases, then refresh the app multiple times, log out and back in, or reinstall it. Technical glitches with cache data or app versions are very common. Make sure you're running the absolute latest version of the DraftKings app from your official app store. Outdated apps frequently fail to display or credit promotions correctly. On desktop, clear your browser cache and cookies, or try incognito mode. Deposit issues can also prevent promos from triggering. The funds need to come from a supported, fully processed method. Some prepaid cards, certain bank transfers, or unverified payment options might not count toward qualification. Try using PayPal, Venmo, or a debit card instead if your first attempt failed. Confirm the deposit shows as available in your balance before betting. Bonus application problems on the bet slip are another frequent headache. Sometimes the promo token appears but doesn't stick. A simple fix many users report is opening the bet slip, clearing your selection completely by hitting the X, then reselecting your wager and choosing the bonus token again. Force close the app afterward and reopen it. This refreshes the interface and often makes the bonus apply properly. Account restrictions or flags can block everything without obvious warning. If you've violated any terms in the past, like bonus abuse attempts, or if there's suspicious activity, DraftKings may limit or pause promotions. Check your account messages or email for any notifications. Contacting support is the way forward here. Use the in-app chat, be polite and detailed, provide your username, screenshots of the steps you took, timestamps, and the specific promo. Good support agents can usually see back-end details and apply missing credits when eligible. Let's expand on more advanced troubleshooting steps. Try switching devices entirely. If the promo works on a tablet but not your phone, it's likely a device or app data issue. Test during off-peak hours when servers are less busy, such as early mornings. Disable any ad blockers, privacy extensions, or battery-saving modes that might interfere with real-time syncing. For Android users, clear the app cache through phone settings. iOS users can try offloading the app and reinstalling. Location verification failures deserve extra attention. Even inside a legal state, tall buildings, poor signal, or iOS-Android settings can cause false negatives. Grant DraftKings permanent location permission, and try placing a very small test bet on a low-stakes market to confirm everything is recognized. If that goes through, the issue is probably promo-specific rather than a full location block. Now a critical section: responsible gambling and understanding the bigger picture. These promos are designed to be fun extras, but the platform has strict rules to prevent abuse. Never try workarounds like multiple accounts, VPNs, or sharing details. The house maintains an edge long term, so only bet what you can afford to lose. Set deposit limits, loss limits, and time reminders directly in your DraftKings account settings right after logging in. If you feel any pressure or loss of control, use the self-exclusion tools or call 1-800-GAMBLER immediately. DraftKings provides solid, responsible gaming resources. Take advantage of them. For casino or daily fantasy promos, the troubleshooting is similar but with some differences. Casino offers might involve separate opt-ins, playthrough requirements on specific games, or daily login streaks for spins. Fantasy uses DK dollars and has its own contest eligibility. Always check the promotions page within each section of the app because they don't always sync across products. Preventing future promo problems is all about preparation. Bookmark trusted sources for the latest offers, screenshot every step when claiming a bonus, and read the full terms and conditions before depositing. Enable all push notifications and join the email list so you catch personalized deals early. Keep your account fully verified from day one for smoother everything later, including withdrawals. Speaking of withdrawals, once you successfully use bonus bets and convert winnings to cash, head to the cashier. E-wallets like PayPal are usually the fastest. Have your verification done early to avoid any holds. Bonus winnings follow specific rules. The stake is typically non-withdrawable, but profits go to your cash balance after settlement. To make this guide as thorough as possible, let's cover some specific error messages and their fixes. Promo not eligible usually means location, age, or prior claim. Invalid code means expiration or typo. Bonus not credited after bet settlement points to opt-in miss or odds violation. Token not applying on bet slip needs the clear and reselect trick. Write down these distinctions so you can explain clearly to support. During major sports seasons like NFL or NBA, server load increases, so patience plus app updates become even more important. Set calendar reminders for big event promos because flash codes move fast. Diversify your betting apps slightly so you always have options if one platform has temporary issues. In summary, your DraftKings promo code or offer isn't working most often because of location verification, missed bell icon opt-ins, incomplete account verification, wrong qualifying bet details like odds, outdated app, or eligibility rules around new users and states. Start with the basics, update everything, confirm location, opt-in via notifications, meet the exact bet requirements, then escalate to support with evidence if needed. Most issues get resolved this way. If this troubleshooting guide helped you finally claim your bonus bets, please smash that like button, subscribe for more DraftKings and betting how-to content, and leave a comment below with exactly what problem you were facing and which state you're in. I read every single comment and love providing more targeted advice. Thanks so much for watching this complete fix guide on why your DraftKings promo isn't working. Bet responsibly, stay patient with these platforms, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck getting those bonuses sorted out. Take care.